In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Meet virtual background. If you want your calls to look cleaner, protect your privacy, or add a bit of personality, Google Meet's virtual backgrounds make it easy. We'll start from a scheduled meeting so you can adjust everything in a real call. Open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in. On your calendar, click one of your scheduled events with a Google Meet link, then select Join with Google Meet. When the Meet window opens, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Before you join, make sure your browser has permission to use your camera and microphone so your preview appears and the effects can be applied. If your preview looks dark or off-center, take a moment to adjust your seat or camera. It's fine if you're the only one there. You can set things up before others arrive. Inside the meeting, click the three-dot More Options button at the bottom. From the menu, choose Backgrounds and Effects to open the controls on the right. In Backgrounds, browse the choices and select the look you prefer. Try a light or strong blur to keep the focus on you, or pick one of the built-in images for a different vibe. Some options are subtle and professional, while others are more playful, so choose something that suits your audience and the tone of the meeting. As you click, you'll see a live preview, so take a moment to compare and choose something that keeps your face well lit and contrasts with your clothing for the cleanest edge. If anything looks off, pause and give the system a second to stabilize before deciding. For best results, sit facing a soft light and avoid bright backlights. Keep the camera steady at eye level and step a little back from the lens if the edges look fuzzy. Leave a bit of space between you and the wall. Depth helps the effect look more natural. Close heavy apps you don't need because background effects use processing power. On older devices or slow connections, a simple blur usually looks smoother than an intricate image, and try not to move too quickly. Slower gestures help the background stay crisp, and that's it. You opened the event from Calendar, joined the Meet, went to More Options, opened Backgrounds and Effects, and picked your preferred background. Your choice often carries over to future calls, and you can change it anytime from the same menu. Enjoy your next meeting with a clean, professional look.